My name's Andrew, and I'm a DIYer. I want to talk to you about how interior doors can help control sound, because sometimes the household is just so loud. And this can be an issue if everyone in the house isn't on the same sleep schedule. And that's why we use solid core doors to help control sound in the home. Let's install a solid core door in our downstairs bathroom. I'm going to be installing this 3-panel shaker door with a solid wood outer frame and an MDF inner panel. I'm going to start this project by collecting the tools I'll need. I'll need drill bits, a drill and an impact driver, wood shims, wood screws, a hammer and punch, and a level. I'm going to start by checking if my door framing is plumb. This is essential in getting a good door install. But unfortunately, my framing is not straight. This is fixable with wood shims, but using a standard level for this is going to be a pain. I had an idea though. My laser level. This would make things a lot easier. So, after some quick correspondence with Dovo, they decided to sponsor this video. Let's jump right into getting our door jamb hung. I'm going to hang just the jamb first. This will make things a lot easier because the door is heavy. With the jamb in the door frame, it's time to set up the laser level. I'm going to be using Dovo's H3 360G model, and my favorite thing about it is how bright it is. It's accurate and has an interchangeable battery and a 5-year warranty. It's perfect for setting up a plumb line. Without this, I would just screw the jamb into the door frame and everything wouldn't be plumb. Now I can use wood shims to adjust the jamb to the plumb line. And I am going to be using screws. Screws work for me. I don't want to hear about it. Well, now that I have the jamb hung, let's get the door mounted. Everything's looking really good, except one thing. All this heavy work has me a little hungry. So it's time to take a quick break and whip up a snack. With my stomach full, let's get this door jamb wrapped up. For the latch side and the top of the jamb, it's going to be a little different. I don't need the laser level anymore. I'm going to line the top and the bottom with the reveal. The reveal is the small gap between the door and the jamb, and I need to make it even, about 1/8 of an inch. But I have a little issue. The gap at the top of the jamb is way too big, and I can't move it down anymore because the jamb is too long on this side. I need to figure out the best way to make this the right size. I have a couple options. Having the right tools is going to be important for this one. I can use a jigsaw, but will it fit in there? Or maybe the multi-tool. But will it get a clean cut? Or maybe I can sand it down. What's the best option? Well, with the latch side of the jamb cut to size now, I'm looking pretty good. Now I just need to add shims to get all my reveals right. And this is what I love about screws. I can easily adjust the reveal. I can make it wider or smaller. And now everything's looking really even and square. I think that's a wrap on hanging the door. But here's the thing, we're not done yet. I still need to soundproof everything. I need to lube up the hinge pins, remove all the wood shims, and of course add the trim work. The trim work. This is something I've been perfecting for a long time. I've been in pursuit of the perfect miter and trim work, and that's a story for next time. I'll be back soon. Oh, I can't have that. That's an open miter.